Hi you guys, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be another Rhinestone Bling Nike shoe thing. You ain't just gonna have these Nike sandals. They have a lot on sale on famousfootwear.com. Check it out. All the websites, there's a bunch of sales. So just go find your shoes, find your essentials, your rhinestones, your glue, your stick, and let's get it. So after you started by roll, add the glue on there. I kind of just added this little part in to show you that everyone make mistakes. Don't let that stop you, you know. Have your partner in crime come in and help you out a little bit. You know what I'm saying? Alright, now you can see the beautiful start of these sandals. This looks so bomb, y'all. I know how much you guys like how I record me placing the rhinestones on here, so here you go. And after your hard work and dedication, your shoes will turn out pretty bomb. Just stay tuned, girl. Just stay tuned. Ooh. Camera doesn't show very well, so this is how much they sparkle. If you guys like these type of shoes too, I also customize shoes, so DM me if you're interested. Thank you guys for tuning in again and watching my video. Please like and subscribe down below and stay tuned for your girl next video. Stay safe, y'all.